This progression is one of the most important progressions in music. It is standing in the heart of almost every style of music, whether it's pop or jazz or funk or rock, and we're going to understand today why and what is so important about it. We'll talk about harmonic devices, chord shapes, and ideas to expand those chords into a very, very lush thing. Ready? So, first step, just adding an open string. Simple, but still kind of cool. Maybe going to these sets of strings. Now, one of the cool things with guitar is that we can move a shape. Why not use it? But let's understand what's happening here. Fa, sol, do. Okay, 3 chords. The 4, the 5, and the 1. But wait, it's gonna get a little bit deeper. We have subdominant, dominant, and tonic, which means basically this. We have something that comes before the dominant, before the tension, and release. I'm gonna add a 7, just why not? When we're playing these chords, we want to truly tag that information on an emotional level. This is the way to understand harmony and music, the way I see it. Now what I'm gonna do is start swapping some chords, and the first thing I'm gonna do is play A minor instead of the C. And why is that? Why? How can I do that, right? So I understand that I'm going to this chord, which is a tonic, a resolution. So I'm giving us a false cadence. The 6 is functioning as a tonic substitution. Now don't worry too much about the definition of this. What we want to hear is the feeling, or we just want to feel it. Right? We're going somewhere, there's tension and there's this feeling. Let's go back to our chords. Original ones, maybe with extensions. F major 7-6, G7 13, C major 7-6, C7, F major 7, G7, C major 7, C7. Now this is important because what I'm doing here, I'm going to 4, 5 with a 9, C major, okay, C7, and I like that a lot because that's a secondary dominant. I'm basically targeting the F using the C7. I'm going to add another chord, F, 2, 5 to the C, C7. Why am I doing that? Well, because I can, and it sounds great, but also because basically